Oh, yeah. So that is all the prizes. We should have a call on the line right now. Charlie, are you there?
Hi, Eddie.
Hey, Charlie, how you doing?
Fine, thanks. Are
Hey,
you?
Charlie, I'm cool, my friend. Are you good?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, pal. Okay, now listen, before I ask you about your weekend, furthermore, let me ask you now, how's your weekend been so far?
It's been real cool.
Pardon me?
It's been cool.
Been cool? What are you up to today? Anything nice?
I don't know yet.
Okay, well, listen, make sure you have a good day, bruv. Hopefully you're going to win some prize in your day. We'll just get better from this point on, all right?
Yep.
Good. Now, listen, I've got a bit of a choice for you. For the first time here on Smile, one of the first times we've ever done this, I've got Calvin here from iDream.
Hello.
Hello, was that Barney just
He
walking
wants a
through?
sweet to you.
Yes,
Point at me
Danny,
over the
Oh,
phone.
nice. Anyway, we got Calvin here, and Calvin could be playing for you, right? Now, do you want to use Calvin, or do you want to lose him? Thank you very much. I have one of those.
All right.
Thank you. Do you want to use him or lose him? He can play for you, or you can play
Use him.
yourself. What do you want to do?
I'll lose him.
You'll lose him. Oh, that's. Oh, it's all right. It's okay, Calvin. Just you stay
Sorry,
there. We've got
Calvin.
another caller.
Maybe, you know,
You've distressed him, Charlie, but I understand, man. You want to win prizes. This is your one chance to do it. I understand. So do you, don't you, Calvin?
yeah, I don't blame you, to be honest with you.
Yes.
You know, I totally, you know.
He understands. Okay,
Yeah.
pal, listen, you need to go up, down. Remember, avoid Bandit. He's a bad guy, and if he bumps into you, it's game over, OK?
Yep.
Cool, let's do this. We're going to count down from 3 to 1, and when I get to 1, I want you to scream out, "Sorry, Calvin, I've got to win!" OK? You ready?
Okay.
Let's do this, Charlie. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, Calvin, I'm going to win.